Hey, it's Natasha, and today I have a Notgrass unboxing for you. So I ordered a big old package from Notgrass. It is the Uncle Sam and You, the complete bundle with the literature books. It comes with everything that you need. This video is not sponsored. As you may know, Notgrass did send me this past year our Star Spangled Story in exchange for my review, which we've absolutely fallen in love with. And I've loved that curriculum so much that I now consider myself a Notgrass convert, and I am planning to use Notgrass with my daughter who will be in 8th grade next year and my daughter who will be in 11th grade next year. So this is for my to-be 8th grader, and it's the Uncle Sam and You package. Now, I debated on what to get. She did say she wanted to do American history, but I didn't get the actual American history because they are revising it, and I didn't want to buy it and then 6 months later, because I think it's coming out, I think they said 2020, so I didn't want to buy it and then it come out right after we bought it. I would rather have the most recent version of it. So I went ahead and got the Uncle Sam and You for her 8th grade year, which I thought would be really great because it does, of course, tie in American history type of things. But it will also be good because she can go to Teen Pack next year. She could have actually gone this year, but anyway, and so this will be perfect to go along with that and kind of finish off the year with Teen Packed. And so also, I really like that it had the holiday celebrations that you do as a family. And so this will be her history and her literature. I've heard great things that this particular Uncle Sam and You program is one that you do not want to miss in middle school. That if you have to choose one, do this one because it's really, really good. So let me just show you what we got. So I'm just going to start opening. And I just love new books. New books is so exciting. Okay. We got Lost on a Mountain in Maine. Wow, that's cool. We got The Long Winter. Oops. We got Lincoln, a photo biography. Oh, neat. We got Misty of Chincoteague. And we've got Bridie of the Grand Canyon. Now, these are both books that were in Beautiful Feet Books, History of the Horse. However, we didn't finish the Beautiful Feet Books, History of the Horse, so that's pretty cool. She loves horses, so I'm glad those are in there. Then we have the Wright brothers, How They Invented the Airplane. Oh, this is a pretty big book. Wow. Okay, and we got A Letter to Mrs. Roosevelt. And what else did we get? Basher 5-2, a true story of F-16 fighter pilot Captain Scott O'Grady. Okay, then we got this. Oh, this is what makes this package so heavy. Everything is such, wrapped so nicely. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, so we got Uncle Sam and You Part 1 and the Citizen's Handbook, Civics in Action. So this should be, oh, that sound, open up a brand new book for the first time. This should be really good as far as helping prepare for Teen Pack too. That will be cool. We have an answer key. And then we have Part 2. These are big honkin' books. And then we have, let's see, of course, Daily Encouragement. I've already signed up for that. And then their catalog. And then we have this package here. And this includes the lesson review book and the student workbook. Now, from what I understand, the lesson review book, the student workbook is for the younger, like the 5th and 6th graders. And then the lesson review book is for the 7th and 8th graders. You can see quite, you know, the difference here. And there are tests, which I like. I like that there's tests. And those are right in here. So that's really cool. And so what I also kind of like is that I can use this with my 8th grader and have her do the lesson review book this next coming year. And then the year after that, or whatever, my next daughter will be in 5th grade. And so she could then do this, but use the student workbook. So basically, you know, for the cost of one program, I can use it with multiple children and not even have to buy another workbook. Of course, down the line, if for other kids, because I've got, you know, lots down the line, I would have to buy that. But essentially, my daughter can use this, and then the next daughter after her can use this. So I thought that was really cool, and it comes together in this one big pack. Anyway, so I'm really excited. If you want any flip-throughs of any of these things, let me know. Of course, we're not going to be starting this for a while, but I am going to be digging into it and seeing, just looking through it and kind of making a little bit of a plan and that sort of thing. But I really fell in love with Notgrass this year, and so that is why I went ahead and got this. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you soon.